cheese, isn't it?
I hope he can drive as good as he can play football.
So do you know Brian Maloney at Packheady? That's Packheady there. He used to play the Vincent's Clubs.
Yeah, I've heard
Way back in 2008, before you were born. Yeah. So they used to play with Vincent's. Two of them were living and working in Dublin at the time. They came down and played with us. They were brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Pat, actually in the county final, Pat scored a wonder point to draw the game. And just went away at the end then. We won it right at the end. And then went on for the other that year. And they cared of Paddy's things. So it tells what's happening behind. It's like a baler, so you go in, it cuts the grass and then bales the hay behind it and throws out bales. So wrap bales, so you've seen them down King's Place.
Yeah.
Like that.
Once they see on fields,
Yeah. This is about my house. This is what about the same place in the house.
Jesus.
Serious man.
As you crash joke, 150 round word. Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going?
We're in here now testing out the Fusion for Baler from McHale.
Alright, go ahead, but just give it an extra few wraps.
Yeah, I'm used to wrapping lads up here, alright, yeah?
Off you go.